Hi guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. I don't know why, I was just having a photo shoot, and I was just like, you know what, I kind of like this location, let's film. And I felt very like girly and cute, even though I'm literally wearing pajamas, but it's fine. And I felt like it was super appropriate to talk about GlossyBox and do a little GlossyBox unboxing just because I was like feeling myself. Hi. So yeah, I was literally just feeling myself and I was like, I kind of look really girly and cute. Let's do a GlossyBox unboxing. GlossyBox sent me a really cute package. My cat ripped it a lot. So sorry, that she had great fun with your box, GlossyBox, so thank you. So I have a code, Jennifer16, which means you could get the first box for just $16. And this box is over $75 worth of beauty products in it, so that is a great deal, so definitely use that. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the January box. Hi, how gorgeous. Just so girly, so beautiful, so pink, I absolutely love it. Are you kidding? Like, look at how gorgeous this is. I literally have to make an Instagram story, hold on. I have to, like, this is so beautiful. How could I not? And we're back. I just had to make a quick, like, Instagram story because it's just so freaking cute. The packaging, like, I would be so happy to get, like, a box like this every month. Are you kidding me? Okay, cool. So then it has, obviously, like, all of the products written out here. I love their aesthetic. Look at just how pretty. I know this is, like, stupid, but, like, the box is so fancy. Like, it feels so nice. Everything comes so nice, and there's so many things. So first things first, let's look at this lightweight facial lotion. I need skincare so bad, like always, so this is so needed. So this is a 99% natural and 100% vegan moisturizer in a spray. No, it's not a spray. Okay, good. I was like, that's a little confusing. No. It's a little thing like this, so it like pumps out. I need more moisturizers. Oh, I desperately need this. So GlossyBox is like a monthly beauty box. It is adorable and you get a lot of bang for your buck. You get so many products that would cost so much more than just like the subscription. This moisturizer is rich in antioxidants to defend your skin from damaging free radicals, and it gives you a tip. Like here it says use a dime amount daily, and before applying makeup it tells you how much it costs, $34. Only one of these is $34, and with my code you could get the whole box for $16. I feel like such a beauty YouTuber, even though I'm like not that much. Ooh, it smells so spa-y. Okay, I love that. That smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna get to like the biggest thing last. Kors. Kors is a really popular brand. So this is the Kors Hydrobiome Probiotic Super Dose Face Mask. It's made with Greek yogurt. How wild. Kors is like an expensive brand. This probiotic mask with real Greek yogurt rehydrates, reduces redness, and rebalances skin's natural protective layer just when used. Oh my god, I need that. Like reducing redness, that is like one of my biggest problems. And this one goes for $10 because the mini, the full size, is $50. Yeah, Kors I hear is like a really great brand, so that's really cool that they're included. I'm really excited to try. Oh my god, Greek yogurt. I do really need help with reducing redness, so that was really spot on for me. High maintenance cannabis peeling mask. Oh, go off. Made with cannabis sativa seed oil. Okay, so this is little cute high beauty. Oh, that is adorable, but also I love the colors. This looks gorgeous. Purify, resurface, and smooth your skin with this peeling mask. So yeah, and since it has cannabis in it, I'm assuming it has like little relaxing properties. I've been really loving like light green and pale pink or like beige, so this is a vibe. But obviously, yeah, I do have to test it out, but I love how many masks they're including. This is like everything you generally need. Like I always need these things. Ooh, what is this? After spa reusable rounds. Easy makeup removal while preserving the planet. Oh, go off. What is this? Whoa, okay, cool. Oh my god, is this reusable like makeup remover? Oh, these feel so soft. I have no idea what this is. I've never used this before, but they feel so soft. I don't think I've ever felt anything more soft in my life. Perfect for all skin types, reusable makeup wipes are made of the softest fabric and can replace disposable cotton rounds. Plus, they only require water to remove even the toughest makeup. Really? Wash once before use. Afterwards, simply soak with warm water and squeeze. These are $10. That's really cool. Like, I don't know. I've never heard of that before. Like, I've heard of little towels, but not like little cotton things that don't even require makeup remover. Zolt CBD drink mixes. So this is a Zolt CBD drink mix that are optimized for your body's absorption, up to 5 times more effective than other hemp formats. Caffeine-free, made from Kentucky-grown hemp, love that. Balanced coconut mix sticks raises your baseline performance mentally and emotionally and physically. Light coconut flavor makes them perfect to add to a smoothie or deliciously simply mixed with water. I will definitely be using that for a time when I need to relieve some stress. We'll be using that. Excited. So this is the last product in this box, which is like the biggest. This is like the thing they give you. This is massive. So this is CBM H2O micellar water. I don't know how to pronounce that. Purifying cleansing solution. Combination oily skin. Oh my god, me, combination skin. Everything came so perfectly for me. This best-selling dermatological micellar water cleanses skin by removing dirt and debris. I can't speak. Purifying and limiting sebum creation for the freshest feeling. Soak a cotton pad with this water and wipe across your face. That is $15. Okay, so I've definitely heard of this. Purifying water to take off makeup. I'm definitely excited to have a whole bunch of it. We all always need makeup remover. Now I'm gonna try it with these cotton pads. Like, this works together so well. Honestly, everything I've gotten in this box is definitely stuff that I need, like that I need around the house. So thank you so much, GlossyBox. If you want to get a monthly box of a bunch of great beauty products that would cost you way more to just get by itself rather than getting a subscription full of really fun presents, the link is down below, and use my code Jennifer16 for $16 for your first box. Thank you so much.